a chance to look over,
twarebye muri proposal warutuzaniye,
and I see that you have quite substantial
nabonye wowe urenze ufite ukuntu ukora ibintu byawe. No. Ireho witsi.
And you are?
Wowe uri?
I don't matter.
Je ntacyo ndicyo. Singombwa. Bahereye ku mwavoka wuriya mugabo ngo ni Mani Salzan.
I'm particularly interested in Mr. Salazar's portfolio.
Nari njano ngo tuvugane kuri portfolio ya Mr. Salazar. Yo kuno.
That is private information.
Ayo na makuru bwe. We.
That's very valuable.
Umva tereka hasi cyo kintu ni cy'agaciro.
Why do I have the feeling there is another agenda going on here?
Ase kuki ndi kwiyumvamo ko wagira ngo hano mufite ibindi byabaza.
No.
Ushaka kubyumva ya.
We're done.
Tuzabibarira iyindi nama hano turasozanyije musohoke mugende.
Call Gary into my office please.
Hamagara Gary akaza muri office yaje. Ko hano mfite ikibazo munyoreze bounce hano ari abantu bane.
And it is very expensive.
Bashobora kuba bihenze.
What you're selling. Gary.
Ibyo uri kugurisha ibyago byose ndi kubigura. Gary wa mukinga we bounce. Fayo hakuno Gary. Tu.
Mr. Horwitz.
Mr. Horwitz.
Problem?
Hari ikibazo
Out of my office now.
Aba bantu basore muri office yanjye.
Sir?
Babuja.
If you like
nawe
to...
nyakuba mubishatse uvagali. Buretse ariko.
There are two versions of how this narrative plays out.
Hari uburyo bubiri tugomba gukoramo ibi.
One, Gary
waits
patiently and quietly by
Gary arasoka hagarare ku muryango.
the door for the next 30 seconds.
Ategereza amasegonda 30. Tubanze dufate umwanzuro ku byatuzanye.
We leave in a calm and orderly fashion.
Kwigendera dutuje mu mahoro.
Version 2.
Uburyo bwa kabiri.
Gary steps forward on a
Galanazanye geranya atake.
And you spend the next 6 hours sponging him off the walls.
Andi masaha 6 uraza kuyamara uri guhanagura amaraso ye ku gikuta.
Which version Gary would prefer?
Gali urahitamo yahe mahitamo muri ayo ngayo yombi. Ariko Gali. Shikari kabakire bari kuvugana.
Gary, maybe it's better if you just take a few steps.
Wa mugana umenyera isawusubiye inyuma. Baje kwishyuza bisiza urusenda.
I'm here for the debt that Salazar owes Spencer Goldstein.
Ubundi nanaciye ku ruhande jana uje kwishyuza ideni Salazar arimo Spencer Goldstein.
As lawyer, I'm pretty sure you know where all.
Kandi nk'umunyamategeko yiwe ndabizi ko ibyo bintu byose ubizi neza cyane na company ze zose ubizi neza.
This is an opportunity for you to work with me.
Anye nama yirwe guhaye ngo dukorane.
A more amicable agreement.
Kugira ngo tugire ibintu twumvikanaho kandi byatubyarira inyungu twembi.
It's time for you to leave.
Ndakeka nicyo gihe ngo
Have this conversation with you. I guess I'll have it with Salazar.
Okay, nimba